Rupees 50,000 per month sounds small. But with the right system, it is genuinely enough to retire wealthy. Here is the exact breakdown. Many of us look at a rupees 50,000 salary and think, that's just enough to cover rent, bills, maybe a bike EMI. How can you possibly build real wealth with it? Well, the secret isn't earning millions instantly, but consistent, disciplined investing, leveraging the magic of compounding. Let's break it down. Imagine you earn rupees 50,000. After essential expenses like rent, food, transport, maybe you're left with rupees 20,000 to rupees 25,000. Now, what if you committed to investing just rupees 15,000 every single month? Sounds challenging, but it's totally achievable with smart budgeting and cutting down on unnecessary expenses. Here's where the magic happens. By investing rupees 15,000 monthly in a diversified mutual fund portfolio through SIPs, assuming a realistic average annual return of 12%. If you start at 25 and continue till 60, that's 35 years of consistent investing. You know what that adds up to? A staggering rupees 2.8 crore. Yes, you heard that right. From a rupees 50,000 salary, investing rupees 15,000 consistently can build a corpus of rupees 2.8 crore by the time you're 60. This isn't a fantasy, it's basic financial math and the power of compounding at play. The key is starting early and staying consistent. It's not about big jumps, but small, steady steps. This wealth can provide true financial freedom for your retirement. Remember, this is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Please do your own research or consult a SEBI-registered advisor. So if you're earning rupees 50,000 or even less, don't underestimate your potential. Start now. Like this video, subscribe for more practical finance tips, and tell us in the comments, what's your current income and what's your biggest financial goal?